Now from the Journal this morning is that basically Bessent and others just said, do you really want this legal fight on your plate to try and get rid of Powell versus leaving him in till next year?
When it comes to Powell, silence is golden. We don't need to talk about it anymore. The market just wants him to do his thing, dual mandate, 2% inflation, a long way from there, and also full employment, doing much better on the employment side. But Powell is not going to cut rates until he knows the China situation, because the China situation is inflationary. And so he doesn't want to be lowering rates right into a wall of really high-priced products, tariffed at over 200%. Coming out of China. So that's why the China piece of the puzzle is so important. And the president's right to be saying, look, let's get going on the China deal. That is what the market needs. If all of a sudden this afternoon Trump announced that he's got a meeting date set with Xi, the market would go up 2,000 points. That's just my own personal opinion. But that's the last peg in the puzzle. That's what we need. Everything else is looking better. And I'm assuming he doesn't have to talk about the Fed anymore, because it's clear that wasn't a great idea. You don't want instability in the bond market. You really don't want that. And I think I think China comes to the table. Now, you got the TikTok thing flying around here, too, that looks like it's going to get sucked in to the China negotiation. And that does not have a lot of days left.